My name is Ogunlan Ibrahim Ayobami, popularly known as Oloyede Akewi. I'm the founder, CEO of Oloyede Chant and Film Production. Our aim and objective is to promote our cultural landmark through filming, chanting, filmmaking, and any other necessary things in filmmaking. We are not just a band, we are a registered organization under the federal government of Nigeria. We have a valid ID card and also an address for any of our students we enroll themselves in Oloyede Chant and Film Production. We teach our students acting, dancing, script writing, directing. Here in Oloyede Chant and Film Production, enroll yourself, guys, because we are here to make your dreams reality. Let me show you something. As you can see, seeing is believing.